What's a do now? Well, a do now is exactly what Moses has just said. It's something where as soon as you walk into the classroom, you feel that you have something to do. So if you do a do now and write it in the same place every day, learners know where to look when they come in. And as soon as they enter this classroom, they start thinking straight away, right, I need to get on with my learning straight away. So no minute of the classroom and the lesson is lost. So learners must be able to do now without any help from you, without discussing with their classmates, without needing resources. You know, a lot of students come in, they either have their book on the desk, they know where their book is in their bag. If they don't have books, there's paper. If they don't have paper, there's some sort of little whiteboard they have each. So classmates, learners know exactly where those resources are that they need, and they have the same routine every lesson. Do now should only take 3 to 5 minutes to complete and no more. It's not some massive task that takes your entire lesson. It's to get your learners in, get them settled, connect with their learning straight away, have a routine, as we all know that routines in our classroom are really important. And it's just to kickstart the lesson. Something on pen, with a paper, that's all it is. And it should either preview the day's lesson that's coming up, connect to the previous lesson. It could be something, I know as an English teacher, I have done little punctuation do nows. So they are slightly disconnected to the lessons. That's okay generally, if it's something that can be done quickly. So for example, I've got 4 lines, capital letters are missing, copy these out, put the capital letters in the right place. Very quick, it's very easy. There's only 5 or 6 things missing. They write them down, see them, we go through it, done. So the whole thing is over in 5 minutes or so. Choose a clear signal so learners know you are counting down to finish the do now. Okay, so what I generally do is I welcome them into the class and they say, first task on the board, welcome, first task on the board, first task on the board, to my students, to every student. Sit down and settle, they got on with it. Okay, count them down. We're going to finish. You've got 5 minutes. If you've got a clock on the board, you could even write the time that you're going to finish it on the board. If you haven't, you can say you've got 5 minutes as they walk in, and then you could count down from 3 minutes, 2 minutes, etc., down through 30 seconds, and then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Before I say the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, what I generally say is, I want your pens down, you're looking at me, silence in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So they know your expectation, and it's all very clear.